DJ Pooh from the 17. I'm here at Wax and Effects doing some crate digging, looking for some hits to play when I get back to New Orleans. This is one of my favorite spots to go to find records. Peace. DJ Pooh from the 17. I'm here at Wax and Effects looking at some records and some crate digging. Hope you come out. This is one of my favorite spots. The hits. This is where I find all my classics at. Well, check me out later.